Hey everybody, welcome to the Papa George show. Today he's making lobster. He doesn't know that I'm out here on a tennis court and about to walk up on him. Just giving y'all a little taste of how Papa George is living. He out here on Miami Beach chilling. You see that out there? It's the port of Miami. Got a nice little playground for the kiddies. Where is he? Where is he? There you go. Okay. Let's walk up on him. Jacuzzi pool. Hey Papa George, what's up?
Everything good?
Everything good?
So I'm doing some
oh, you
lobster.
already know what I'm here for, huh?
I'm doing some lobster.
Okay.
Right? I'm gonna put it on the grill. So first of all, I'm gonna start to season up these snappers. You know, go throw some water and start wash it off for a minute. I wash it already, but I'm gonna wash it again, right?
Uh-huh.
Make sure you clean and put a lemon, a lot of lemon on these things too. You gotta have a lot of lemon on it, see? Juicy lemon. From inside, right? You know, you gotta rub it in. Give me a lot of lime, lemon. The fish love lemon, you know? Yeah.
Let me give everybody a think of the view real quick, Papa George. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I'm coming back. All right, everyone's out here chilling. Oops. That's the snapper.
Yeah, the snapper fish.
So what you doing? You're grilling today?
I'm gonna put it inside the fried paper. Here. I got my fried paper ready. I'm gonna pot ready. I got fried paper ready to go. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start to cut up some of these seasoning for the fish. First of all, you do first, you gotta wash off take the mask. Alright, I will wash all the vegetables then, okay?
Okay. Sounds like a party out here, but don't worry everybody, we're all distanced. We're all distanced.
We're all distanced. Okay, so this is the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, right. We got the onion, we got the sweet pepper. And sweet pepper. And
Oh,
the
that's
fish
some nice.
seasoning. This is the fish seasoning, good for fish. Season the fish.
Hey.
I got the salt.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a little salt and all that. I remember you got a little butter when you done your chop on it. Get burned. Don't get burned. Light him up, light him up, light him up. Alright. No, this is Papa George in the kitchen again, as I just told you. Right? Today I'm gonna do some nice snapper fish, right? And look at this what I got, my friend. Look what I got today. Look at these snappers fish right here. See? Yes, sir. And look at this lobster. Look at these lobster tails. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Papa George in the kitchen. Yes. So anyway, I'm gonna start to cut up this thing now. Because wash it already. Good. I'm gonna make up some seasoning now, right? Alright, so then coconut milk. We're gonna make some coconut milk juice inside of it.
So what we doing first?
I'm gonna put all the seasoning down inside the fish. I'm doing the fish first, right? So I'm gonna cut up all the seasoning right now. Scallion, right? So you cut it up louder.
Yeah, louder, thank you.
Yes. Just cut it up, right?
Do one more octave louder, let me hear how you sound.
Sweet pepper.
Okay.
Wash it off, sprinkle the fish.
They partying down there on the beach.
Yes, there's cut it up, sweet pepper. Cut up the sweet pepper, yes. Cut up the sweet pepper. Don't cut smaller on that anyway. Put the trash in it now. But anyway, don't worry about it. This right here, cut up your onion. Right? Cut up your onions. Alright? The thyme. Don't forget, wash your thyme. Wash him. Yes, sir. Put the thyme in there. time. Right? Cook one more onion because you want onion in your fish, you know, right in the belly of your fish. You know.
So we have some green scallion,
Yeah.
a couple of
Scotch
onions,
bonnet pepper.
Scotch bonnet pepper, green pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be nice.
Oh yeah. Nice. And then we want my garlic. See my garlic? And my garlic. See me have my garlic? Alright. Now I'm boiling. Garlic. Right? After you do your garlic, you're gonna get just your meat your seasoning. Fish seasoning, right?
You're cutting up the garlic.
Yes, cut up your garlic. Alright, now you're gonna get your
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder, right? And you're gonna throw some garlic powder in that. Right? Now you got mixed vegetable they give you at the store. You're gonna get it right here. So the name of it?
It's okra, corn, celery.
Yeah. Okra, corn, celery,
sweet.
and all them good stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Peppers and.
Yeah. So this is like a mixed vegetable. So you do you put it this thing when I have. I'm love to put my own thing sometimes. Then you're gonna put it inside of it. Yes. Sweet. Look how beautiful that looks, man. Mixed vegetable. They call it the mixed vegetable. More fire. Yeah, mix him up now. Mix him up now. So you're blending now with everything now. Okay, then you're gonna put a piece of butter. You're gonna put a piece of butter in it, right? Come in by now. You put some butter on it like that, right? Get some butter, put it in. I get some your butter, put in. You have a little jerk pasta. You have the jerk sauce. Put a little tip of it. Little, you want like just a little bit of it. That's good enough. Like this kind of spicy. You don't want your fish too spicy, you know? And then you get it, and then you knead it up. Knead it up. Alright, now you get your seasoning now. Again, you're gonna go around the fish. Yeah, put it around the fish. It's a little bit of it around the fish, right? Inside too. Alright? You get the little seasoning like this. Alright. Then you get a little bit more. Yeah, you see a seasoning or something, you know what this name? You see it?
Obey.
Yeah. Doing some nice seasoning. And it's like a fish seasoning. Like you have to give him a little bit around him and things. You might go inside the file paper, give him a little seasoning inside of it.
It's an airplane, that's what you can't, why you see the plane up there.
Right? That's how you do it.
It look good already.
Yeah, just put some boom, just jump in and all that and drop in some salt on there, a little bit of salt around you know, touch him up with some salt around him and yeah, right? Then they're gonna turn him around like this. Rub it in the season, then they're gonna use this now. Right, have to stuff him up. Yes, see it up nice and yes, stuff it up, yeah. Nice and sweet and neat and ting. Yeah. Close him in like that. Close him in right now. Alright? After you do that, just sprinkle some a little bit around him a little bit. Now that means when you're ready with file paper and you just take a little more vegetable and you put inside the file paper and then you're gone. Take an onion, cut up a little piece of onion, spray it up on the top again and thing. Yeah. That's how you gotta do it. Right? Alright. Cut. I'll be back. My subscriber, remember, you know, just give me a big thumbs up on this one. And they call it this red snapper. We're gonna put it in a file paper, right? With all the seasoning on it already. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put it inside the middle of it, you see it? Onion, thyme, garlic, you know what I'm saying? Nice, inside of it, they put it inside, right? And then you're gonna get the file paper. The file paper, it's a big piece because I want to put it down on me. The girl pull up already, so it's okay. Then take it out, spread it out like this, get the fish, put it right in the middle.
Oh, you need a lot of foil for just that one? Oh, okay, so they are pretty big.
Pretty big. Right in the middle. Alright, I don't know how to wrap it now because you lose it. Alright? Okay, wrap them round. The big fish. It's a big fish, babe. Subscriber gonna love this one.
Don't forget, everybody, we're trying to get up to 1,000 to start subscribers. So please, you know, please support.
Tell a friend, and tell a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah.
So you're wrapping it twice.
Wrapping it twice because the fish are kind of big, you know, man.
But this is really nice way of you of celebrating Valentine's Day, Papa George.
Yes. That today is a special day too, you know. So we don't know Valentine's Day is special to a woman. So what you gotta do, you little, you see? So look at my lobster big.
Look at the lobster.
Look at the lobster. I got coconut milk and simmer now upon it. Alright, no worry about it. We soon come back to you again. Don't worry, everything is everything. The grill is kind of full up, so we can't put no more on it because it's a lot. So hold on, give me a minute, my friend. We'll soon be back again, okay?
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and put the thumbs up, giving the bell. That means that everything gonna be well. We have Papa George in the kitchen again, right? And do the grill thing. Look, see the pool over there, so we're gonna show you in a minute. Yeah, you know, on the pool side and thing. Yeah, right at my crib. Go and build, you see? And the family and thing, you know? Respect. Bless up. Yeah.
Tell me what we missed so far.
So far, I was putting the lobster on the grill. See?
Okay.
Big chunk lobster.
So fresh lobster, butterfly.
Yeah, snapper fish. Big snapper fish. Biggest snapper fish I ever seen. Coconut milk, a little bit until that cook down. We're gonna put it in the lobster.
What's in this? What's in the coconut milk?
Onion, coconut milk, garlic, scallion and thyme, and piece of pepper. That's it. Good to go. Right?
Is that cut?
Yeah, cut. So yeah, you see the rundown here, look now.
Okay. So how long has this been on the grill, sweetie?
Yeah, about 10 minutes. I'm making my cook slow, you know, for the grill I've been doing. You understand? Alright, then see that? Big snapper them and fix them properly, but this time we use time right now, right?
Right.
This is gonna go right on the lobster over here.
Lobster over there.
Yeah. Show the lobster.
Okay, show them the lobster. Show them the lobster. Let's do it.
And then just go like this.
Oh my
Yeah. Cover everybody.
This is
And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, lobster will run down.
Lobster will run down.
Yeah, see? There's a coconut.
Pretty good size too.
Yeah, I eat that shit straight out the can. That's the thing.
Yeah, the big snapper fish there now is so big them is. I'm gonna do small snapper fish, a big snapper fish with it, see?
Okay.
2 foot and longer, or 1 foot, see?
Oh dang, you did a flip. I wish I would have showed that. That flip with they burning your hand, babe. You risk your life for these dinners.
Yes. Got to do that. Turn over like
Wow.
that. Yeah, I'm making one.
We've been cooking one for a while though.
No, yeah, that one, yeah. That one,
Alright.
first one we're gonna eat for Valentine. All of us one time we're gonna eat that.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good Valentine's Day, babe.
Yeah. Alright. Just remember, subscribe and ring the bell. Cling, 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 cling. Papa George, come again. Alright. Let's go. Alright, look on the fish now. I'll show you. Pull it. You may have pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Looking at it. Look at my shoe. I'll be happy. See, can't find it because soft and nice. Look at the steam. Look on the grill. Jesus Christ. You can't want better than that. Alright, let me cover it up. I want to eat it right now. Alright. So yes, take it off now. Alright,
Yeah.
let me take it off right now because eating time now. Upstairs, I say. Upstairs. I'm downstairs now.
You're
But I'm
downstairs.
going upstairs right now. Because I don't see the cool right now. Take up, I'm start pop up, you know. I'm start pop up the thing then. So I said upstairs. Alright. I'm not that fat, but you know about to go upstairs yet. You know what I'll do? I'll put on some corn on the grill.
Alright, so we'll
You
get
know,
a shot of that.
Hold on, give me one more, give me a minute.
Okay,
I'll put
1
on
minute.
give me some corn on the grill.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, see the fish? Yes, sir. Open up the fish. Open up the fish. Open up the fish. Open up the fish. See? Good. That's how you're supposed to look. like that. That's what it's supposed to look. So it look like that, and when you look inside of the belly, you have seen the inside of the belly too, you know. Season them well cooked, you see? Nice. That's how you cook fish. Steamed fish, right?
Yeah,
It's like a steamed fish too, but you're on the grill there and you're looking inside of it, you see? All of that seasoning inside of it, with joy, frozen back. Yes, a Papa Jar thing this one to the thing. You hear?
Hot, you don't want a big
We're
ass.
just gonna do this little bit just for now. You need a napkin? Here.
Don't blow on the dang pot.
Okay, let me get started. Okay, here.
That bitch is hot.
Put me a piece on your napkin too.
You need an extra napkin for you?
I just want a little piece. You can put it on his.
Right.
Yeah, you know, Papa George again, you see it back. Again, you see it my chill on the ends. I must do some snapper fish and thing, you know. Just a whole look of vibes right now. And remember, you know, subscribe me all the time. Hit the button and just subscribe me, and just any comment you want to leave, you can go and leave it still. You might say I will respond to you. But you might say, you know, see my videos always turn up. You might say, I see respect all of the video man where I do the thing like where I am doing right now. In Jamaica and abroad. So enough respect to everybody who are doing the video thing, you know, because it's a good thing we are doing. And I say, I respect all of the man. Ross Kitchen, big up yourself. And I say, Sunrise, big up yourself. You know? I'm in a car, Papa George Kitchen. You know I say, go and do the thing. You know I say, enough respect every time to each and everybody. My family, everybody, my subscribers, just don't forget me. You know what I'm saying? Because I always remember you. When I'm in a restaurant, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna get nice food. It's not any food you must eat. Eat Papa George food because my food is the best food, right? And everything good. God bless all. Respect. Hey, because I just go and full of vibes, everything is alright. It's alright. And we not do it first and we not go do it not a fight. No, not a fight. Everybody in the place, you know, they not stop and unite. Papa, unite. Whether you black, Mr. Purple, green, and Mr. whether you white, And you know, everything, you know, Mr. Yes, it's alright. Yes, it's alright. Because you said, this is Mr. Valentine's time, this is Valentine time. Valentine time. Everything is alright.